a few lines from this one. I'm yet to complete. Trevor, remember, a man is not determined by how much he earns. You can still be the man of the house and earn less than your woman. Being a man is not what you have, it's who you are. Being more of a man doesn't mean your woman has to be less than you. Make sure your woman is the woman in your life. Don't be one of these men who make his wife compete with his mother. And then once, when he called her up or addressed her saying, "Hey mom," without glancing up, she said, "No, Trevor, you look at me. You acknowledge me. Show me that I exist to you, because the way you treat me is the way you will treat your woman. They like to be noticed. Come and acknowledge me and let me know that you see me. Don't just see me when you